Hey everyone, today we're going to explore the MetaView or Meta AI app, the control center for your Meta Smart glasses. If you're wondering what each settings does, this quick walkthrough will help you use your glasses like a pro. Step 1 is to open MetaView app, and then once your glasses are connected, head over into the MetaView app and go to your settings, privacy. Step 2 is to control voice data. Under the voice storage, you can view transcript of your voice commands, choose whether Meta stores these recordings, delete past interactions if desired. 3 is to enable verified sessions. Turn on verified sessions to make sure only you can use the glasses and others can't access the features like calling without verification. 4 is to manage data collection. In the data and privacy section, view and download your personal data, disable additional analytics like usage tracking, and toggle cloud media on and off for photo or video backup. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.